We're going to now go ahead and look at those medium hip circles, and we're going to start traveling with them and layering them with different arm positions. So let's begin. First of all, feet below hips in first position. Legs are straighter but soft. Pelvis is tucked in, rib cage tall, shoulders back, and arms in second position. Let's review those medium circles. Slide side, forward, side, pull back. Weight to the side, weight to the front, side, good. Now smooth it out. Side, front, side, back, good. So we have medium circles that we know from B1. We're going to start layering them and traveling with them. Good. One more time, hold it here. Let's reverse the direction, forward and back. I want you to feel the change of weight on your feet. So the weight goes forward on the toes, back on the heels, forward and back. Last time, and hold it to the side. Very nice. Let's close the feet in 1.5. We're going to introduce this starting with the feet first. Give me step, together, step, and tap. Again, step, together, step. Try it again with me. So first things first, we're going to get the feet. Then we're going to add the weight change. Then we're going to add the hips. Then we'll add the arms. Good. One more time. So thinking step, close, step, and tap. Remember to tap. That's so important. Last time. And hold it here. Now we're going to continue, and I want you to push your weight forward and back with your pelvis. Front and back, front and close. Again, push forward, pull back, push forward and close. Again, it's 1 and 2, good, 3 and 4, here's 5, here's 6, here's 7, and release. Now we're going to add a circle and a half. Let's try it. Push and close, push and close. Again, weight goes forward, weight goes back, weight goes forward, tap. It's step, together, step, and tap. Again, step, together, step, and release. Now, if you're having trouble with this, go ahead and put your feet back in first position, arms up again, and I want you to start with the medium circles in place. Give me forward and back. Now, we can try this in a different way. Let's see how this feels. So we have our medium circle moving, and we're going to slowly start to slide the feet out to the side and back, naturally transitioning from side to side. So imagining you're trying to escape my class, and you're trying to sneak out, and you don't want me to notice you. So you're going to inch by inch circle your way out of the classroom. Good. Let's try it the other direction. Starting in place, forward and back. So first get the medium circle going, get the hip circle going, and then start to slowly, inch by inch, slide your feet. Good. Try not to think about it. This one is more of a natural concept, and we'll go back to that structured format with the footwork. Keep going. Last 5 and 6 and 7 and release. Good. 1.5. Let's try it now again with those feet. Give me 5, 6, just the feet. Step, together, step, and close. Step, together, add the weight change forward and back. Forward, back, forward, close. Last time, forward, back, good. Add that circle and a half. It's forward, back, forward, and close. Good. Forward and back. Can we try this a little faster? Let's go. Step, together, step, touch, circle, and a half. Imagining that you're drawing a circle and a half on the floor. Good. A circle and a half, or a little curly cue. Good. Now keep those feet close. Keep those feet close. Beware of taking too large of steps, as this will throw your balance off. So keep those feet close and let the hips do the work. Good. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and break. Good. Take a deep breath. Now we're going to add arms, girls. We're going to start first with a variation of third position. We are in 1.5. Left hand touches the temple, right arm out to the side. Let's try the circle and a half, slow. 5, 6, 7, give me 1, 2, 3, and switch. So we have to switch those arm positions. 5, 6, again, give me 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we transition our arms on 4. Let's try it up to tempo and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Good. So now we're multitasking. We're layering now. We're adding some arms here. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. And freeze. Now, fourth position, framing the hip. Let's try it. 5, 6, slow. Give me 1 and 2, 3, and switch. Frame the left and 2, 3. Let's try it faster. And circle and a half, switch. Circle and a half. Good. Framing the hip, pushing the hip, the left hip, and the right. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, break. Very nice. Take a deep breath up. Exhale out. And this completes your circles. Let's continue. Okay, girls. So now we're going to keep going and we're going to start traveling with our sway. And we're going to add a little Turkish figure 8. So we have a little combination. I call it the sway combination. And again, it has to do with that footwork that we learned from the circles and a half. So first things first, go ahead and give me 1.5. Tuck the pelvis, lift the chest, roll the arms, and balance in second position. First thing we have to learn is the footwork. Let's review this. 5, 6, 7, give me step, together, step, and touch. Step, together, step, and touch. Again, it's 1, 2, 3, close, 5, 6, 7, and release. Excellent. Now we're going to add a 1 hip sway to this footwork. Give me step, together, step, and touch. Circle in together, circle and touch. Circle it in, circle it in. Try it with me again. So it's the right hip coming in, the right hip, and touch. Again, step, together, step, and touch. Make sure you're really using those obliques and you're pushing off the floor a little faster. Sway and sway, tap, sway, and sway. Remember, keep those feet close. Good. Use those muscles. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, break. Now we're going to add a little Turkish here. First, give me step, together, step, and touch. The weight is on the right leg. This is the leg that's free. Give me twist, release, twist, release. Again, step, together, step, and touch. The weight is on the left leg. This is the leg that now can go into the Turkish. Twist, left, kick, right. Let's try it again. Step, together, step, and tap. Twist and kick, twist and release. Again, step, together, step, and touch. Twist and release. Good. Let's try it a little faster. It's sway, Turkish, and Turkish. Sway and sway. Good. I want you to really use those muscles now. Pull it in, and roll. And roll. Good. Control those knees, control those feet, point those toes. It's sway and sway, Turkish, Turkish. Again, sway and sway. Good. Counting it out. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. Take a deep breath. Now we're going to add the arms. Very good. So before we even get into the footwork, let's get into the arms. We will do a variation of sunset arms. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with the music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. Sway and sway, Turkish and Turkish. Sway and sway, Turkish and Turkish. Step together, step, tap, twist, kick, step together, step, tap, try it in position, and step together, step, tap, twist, kick again. It's sway, sway, Turkish, now we count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, good. Try it with me one more time. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. Take a deep breath. Excellent, good. So practice this one over and over again. It does take some time when we start adding arms and transitions and all sorts of fanciness. So practice this combination until you get it down. Good job.